On this episode, we visit one of Gwinnett County's hidden gems, Tribble Mill Park, and we explore the Granite Shoals area, right here on Georgia Eat Explore and More. Hey guys, we're at Tribble Mill Park in Gwinnett County. Right now we have behind us the historic mills site that was here, and that's near Granite Shoals, and so we are going to explore.
So guys, we just walked across that little stream right there.
It feels so good.
It felt so good. It's very slippery though, and we were walking over there with this equipment, so that would have been disastrous if we would have fell, but that's one. As you can see, there's a lot of families out here. The granite we're standing on is really hot, so right now we're standing on a shaded part of the granite right now, but oh man, this place is fun. You should definitely come out here.
Guys, that ends it for Tribble Mill Park. Right now we are sitting at an observation deck observing Ozora Lake, and it's a beautiful gem that's hidden right here in Gwinnett County in Lawrenceville. It's a nice place to come out, enjoy the water, you know, when it's hot like it is now. You can go ride your bikes too.
Yeah. You guys come out here, it's free, so just come out here and enjoy yourself, especially like Summer said, on a hot day like this.
Yeah, bring you like a picnic or something, it'd be nice.
Absolutely. So yeah, that's Tribble Mill Park. We'll see you guys back at home. All right, guys, that was Tribble Mill Park in Lawrenceville, Georgia. The place is beautiful, awesome.
Just a reminder, you know, it is out in the woods, the part that we were at. Make sure you check yourself for ticks, because I believe I found one on my pants, so just be careful when you do go hiking.
Yes, so again, Tribble Mill Park, we didn't know anything about it, so we actually want to give a special thanks and a shout out to @Certified Citry for recommending this place to us. He was actually supposed to hang out with us when we shot this video, but he has some family obligations to take care of. But we still want to thank you for suggesting that place to us, and just like at Certified Citrus on Twitter, suggest places to us, whether it be through social media, in the comments, anywhere. And before we go, we have new merch. Check out our merch store. We actually have merch based on the Tallulah Gorge shoot that we had. So check those out. Really nice shirts. I think you're going to love them. So like, comment, subscribe. You guys are awesome.
Hi. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.